So welcome back to Xclusivet, where everything's exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends, how y'all doing? How y'all mama them? Y'all see that lady on TikTok and she be fishing and stuff and she be like, how y'all mama and them? And folks be like, what does mama and them mean? Like, what does that mean? It means how's your mom and your family and them. If you just not from the South, but that's what it means. But today we are getting into this loc bun style, whatever you want to call it. This, what is this, a scarf bun? I don't know, but it's cute and I did it and it is secured. When I say secured, I can do a good shake test and it's not going anywhere. So I did this style on a YouTube short video and folks were asking me how I did it. So I'm here to show y'all and give y'all a tutorial. I did a few styles a while back when my hair was short and we was finessing it until we made it, and look at us. We finally made it. Believe it or not, right here, that's my locks. Those are locks back there. And we secured, like, this scarf is not going anywhere. It was so easy and simple to do. So if your locks are as long as mine, this might be the video for you. If you are interested in this scarf bun or whatever, it's very chic and classy and cute. You can dress it up or dress it down as much as you want. So I'm here to show y'all how to do that. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is take out the hair that you want in the front and go ahead and put that in a ponytail so it can just be out the way and you don't have to worry about it later. And now you're gonna get your scarf, flop it over your head like so, and then sometimes I like to fold it so it can be a little bit more secure in the front. And then we're gonna tuck it behind our ears and crisscross it in the back. So I just wanted to say this real quick, that when I crisscross it, I considered the left side to be the bottom and the right side to be the top. So when I'm doing this style, I always start with the left side, which is the bottom side. Try to make this scarf as even as possible. This is what it looks like on the side, but when you come to the back, try to get all your locks to go to one side of the scarf, so the top side of the scarf. Then I go and take the bottom side of the scarf and I twist it all the way down. Side all the way down to the end. Like so. And then I'm going to wrap it around. This is where you get your security from. Then we're going to tuck her in somewhere. So now you should look like this. So you should be left with just this little ponytail with your locks hanging through the middle. You should feel secure right here. Like I'm really secure. Like, it's not going nowhere. It might feel a little loose up here, but honestly, you shouldn't have it that tight. So this is what we're looking like right now. Now we're gonna take the one that's hanging in the back and we're gonna wrap her around the same way. We're just going to twist, 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 twist all the way to the end. And right here is where you can like decide what you want your bun to look like. I think I want mine like right there. And then you just wrap this around. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. And then you just wrap it around the same way and find somewhere to tuck that little end piece in. And you should have a very secure bun. Like nothing should feel loose right now. Nothing should feel like it's gonna slide off or anything. Like it should feel super secure. So now you're gonna go back to the front locks that you decided to keep out. And we're just gonna pull them out. Like so, like that. And I like to do my little side locks right here. And they don't weigh that much. They be sticking up. Can you tell? Like little antennas on the side. I just take bobby pins and I just pin them onto the hair scarf so they can lay down, and it just gives me a little extra security, even though you don't really need it, but it's just that simple. Simple, easy, simple, to the point. You don't have to worry about it sliding off during the day. And I'm so happy that my hair is long enough for this, because who would have thought I would be here today? And this is a good one too. This right here is where my locks are, right in this little area. And we feel good and secure. Okay, cool lock baddie. Okay, I'm feeling myself a little bit too much. So now I'm gonna try to see if I can achieve this like the top bun the same way. I should be able to do it, right? So I'm just gonna take it down. Make sure you take your bobby pins out before you snatch your edges out. And we're gonna do it the same way, but this time I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. Let's see. Can we get a ponytail? Not me be able to do a little ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay. And we're going to do the exact same thing. And it should work. I don't see why it shouldn't work. It should work. Forgot one. So we're gonna wrap her up. We're gonna crisscross like so. And we're going to twist her all the way to the end. Let's see. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve here. Is this a look or no? I don't know what I'm trying to achieve, to be honest. And then we're gonna do the same thing, but I want this to be flat back here. We're not ready for this one yet. I don't know if I like this one yet. She's not secure. I gotta figure this one out, and then I'm gonna come back and share it with y'all, but she is not secure. Like, she's secure, but I don't like how like this right here can like slide back if I wanted to. Oh, wait. I know what the issue is. I have to do it the opposite way. Okay, so here we go. I don't know why I did it that way. Okay, so we're just gonna do the same thing now. We're gonna crisscross it in the front. The crisscross. Why didn't y'all tell me I was doing it wrong? And then we're gonna twist it all the way down to the end. And then we're gonna wrap her around. Make sure she's wrapped. Okay, no. Okay, that's supposed to be in the back. Yeah, I could figure this one out. Because this is not the look I was trying to go for. How did I used to do this? I don't remember. She's on there, but it's just not the style I want. So, I'm going to figure this one out, and I'm going to come back and show y'all whenever I do. But right now, we're just going to stick with the first style. Because that's the one y'all asked for. We can take this one down. So that is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.